We drove about an hour to Legendia for the one and only Lech Coaster. That's why we're here. We just have a couple hours here and then we're back into Germany for the rest of the trip. But I mean, we always hear Lech Coaster's a walk-on, so 2 hours should be plenty. Legendia is a park about 1 hour away from the massive Energylandia. It was placed on the map for theme park fanatics thanks to a Vekoma sit-down coaster called Lech Coaster. There it is. Legendia is a theme park that largely grew in 2013 when it purchased most of the rides from Summerland Sid, a now closed theme park in Denmark, including the Diamond River water ride, a couple of coasters which have since closed, and 23 other rides. We'd start making our way around this slightly abandoned looking theme park anti-clockwise. The first larger ride you come across is actually a closed coaster from that old Summerland theme park. The first ride that we would try would be the looping roller coaster, Devil's Loop, famous for its reverse seating at the back. It has a strange and kind of uninspired layout that is stretched out in an odd manner, and it doesn't really do much apart from the double loop. The French manufacturer Soquet makes this ride. Not many forces after the loops and a very oddly shaped helix. It's just strange. It really just doesn't do much.
That was good for This is the giant trampoline park.
Yeah.
Whoa, what is this doing?
Those are the smoothest friction brakes ever.
Do you like it?
No, it's pretty lame. How was it?
I'm a little scared.
A little scared.
It was scary?
A little painful, or like?
It wasn't painful, but going down that drop, I'm like, I don't trust this ride.
A newer River Rapids ride is another major attraction on the way around this circular-shaped theme park before you reach the other side where Lech Coaster is located.
That baby's like completely naked. Like it just like fell on the floor. The baby's like that kid just had no bottom on it. Just completely like ran and fell on the ground like ass naked, the baby. And the mom just like, picked it up and like just threw it in the stroller. It's like naked and it had like rocks on its ass.
Lech Coaster is the main reason to travel to this Polish theme park. The Vekoma Bermuda Blitz model features a lift hill instead of a launch like those Vekomas found at Energylandia. And it is actually my favorite model of all three of these similar type rides. Lech Coaster hits 59 miles per hour and travels through a nice amount of theming to add to the ride. It's also one of the most intense small-scale rides that I've been on. Its tiny footprint may not be too intimidating, but this has all sorts of intense positive G-force. Honestly, after riding it for about an hour straight, there was no way I could continue to ride it more. It really is that intense, and my energy was just totally drained after just a couple hours in this park.
Last train of the night on Lech Coaster.
Woo! A splash boats ride, Diamond River, is located at the back of the park as well, and another one of the major attractions that this park has. Dream Hunters Society is a Galaxy model roller coaster, which are always fun rides. This one could use a bit of TLC.
Wow, this park is beautiful.
insane. That is so weird.
A dark ride shooter and a mirror maze are some of the indoor offerings at the park, and other than that you can find a bunch of smaller flat rides and activities to do around the lake. Many are of the quality that a fair would offer, so it's nothing amazing in terms of theming. And overall this park does feel a bit overgrown. Landscaping could really go a long way here to make this park feel quite special.
It does not go. Look,
Yours is broken.
push me.
It's broken.
Come give me a push, Bradley.
Ah! Go!
Go hard. Go. Go hard. Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh my God.
Ah!
I'm done.
I would probably visit here again for a few hours if I were to return to Poland and Energylandia, but really an entire day isn't needed at this park. Just a few hours will do, and I recommend coming here after a day at Energylandia. So what we did was spend a day and a half at Energylandia, and then a few hours here, which is also the best time to be here because the rides do run a little bit quicker, so Lech Coaster really is at its full potential.
Bye.
And there's what is that scary toy factory? It's abandoned.
Yeah, this park isn't in the best shape, but the area around Lech looks really nice. It's hard to leave Poland. It's been great over here.
Oh yeah.
But
I love Poland.
Back to Germany.
Everyone
Back
here has
to
been so
Germany.
nice everywhere we go.
Yeah. 6 hours, and then a mountain coaster, and then where?
Clone.
For El Toro.
No,
Yeah.
for Monk Big Dipper.
And the
No,
Mach
El
Big
Toro.
So that was it. This was just a very short stop to this smaller theme park, but it was worth it, and we would continue now out of Poland and back into Germany as we head back west. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.